Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're gonna make a super tasty Italian dish called Penne Arrabbiata. This dish is a classic in Italian cuisine and is known for its spicy kick. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to whip up this delicious meal in no time. Arrabbiata just means angry in Italian, probably because this pasta is packed with flavor. The heat from the chili peppers gives it that fiery kick. We're talking simple ingredients and a whole lot of taste. All you need are some fresh tomatoes, garlic, red chili peppers, and of course penne pasta. By the end of this you'll be saying ciao bella to a plate of pasta that's good enough to eat in Rome. So let's get started. Grab your apron and let's dive into the flavors of Italy right from your home kitchen. Before we get cooking, let's grab our ingredients. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. We're talking stuff you probably already have. Penne pasta, some ripe tomatoes, garlic, red pepper flakes, olive oil, fresh basil, salt, and some Parmesan cheese to sprinkle on top. See? Easy peasy. Alright, let's make some culinary art happen. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine, and we're going to create a delicious penne arrabbiata. This dish is all about bold flavors and simple ingredients coming together to make something truly special. First things first, cook that pasta like it says on the box. Make sure to use plenty of salted water. It should taste like the sea. This will ensure your pasta is perfectly seasoned. While that's going, we'll make the sauce. The key to a great arrabbiata sauce is balancing the heat of the red pepper flakes with the sweetness of the tomatoes. Grab a big pan, heat up some olive oil, and toss in the garlic and red pepper flakes. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be absolutely intoxicating. Let those get nice and fragrant. This step is crucial as it releases the essential oils from the garlic and pepper flakes, infusing the oil with their flavors. Now, add your tomatoes, sprinkle in some salt, and let it all simmer for about 15 minutes. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. The flavors are going to get real cozy in there. Stir occasionally and taste to adjust the seasoning if needed. By the end, you'll have a rich, spicy sauce that's perfect for coating your al dente penne pasta. Okay, is your pasta cooked? Great! Let's move on to the next step. Perfect! Drain it, but keep a little bit of that pasta water. It's like liquid gold. This starchy water will help bind the sauce to the pasta, making it silky and smooth. Now, add the pasta to the sauce, along with a splash of that pasta water. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect consistency. Give it a good stir and let the sauce hug every noodle. Make sure each piece of pasta is well coated with the sauce so every bite is full of flavor. Don't be afraid of those red pepper flakes. They add a wonderful kick to the dish. If you like it milder, just use a little less. Adjust the heat to your preference, but don't skip it entirely. And here's a pro tip. A pinch of sugar can help balance out the tomatoes. It cuts through the acidity and brings out the natural sweetness of the tomatoes. Last but not least, tear up some fresh basil leaves and toss them in. The fresh basil adds a burst of color and a fragrant aroma that elevates the dish. That's the Italian grandma's secret. These simple steps and ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors that will transport you straight to Italy. Enjoy your meal. Alright folks, your penne arrabbiata is ready to rock your world. Dish it up, sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese, and drizzle a little more olive oil on top for that fancy touch. A side salad and some crusty bread wouldn't hurt either. There you have it, a taste of Italy without leaving your kitchen. Buon appetito!